Chapter 12 to 14 is looking at chemical analysis of organic molecules, so carbon-based molecules. The qualitative analysis is looking at which chemicals are present, and quantitative analysis is quantity, how much of a chemical is present, so like how many grams per litre or percentage or moles per litre. Okay, so there's 5 techniques we're looking at. 4 of them are useful in working out the shape of the molecule, so quantitative analysis, looking at putting carbon alkyl groups together to build a molecule, or functional groups together. And the other 2, chromatography, is also useful for working out how much of a chemical. So we've looked at chromatography and volumetric analysis already in Year 11. Chromatography was when we had mobile phase, stationary phase. You may remember that. So the smaller the molecule, the faster it moved through the the stationary phase, staying in the mobile phase. And volumetric analysis was when we did titrations, so when we had a burette and we did acid-base titrations. So this year we've done spectroscopy already. In Year 11 we did atomic absorption spectroscopy and UV vis. The UV vis was when we found out phosphate in fertilizer. You may remember doing that. So we have used light spectroscopy for quantitative analysis in Year 11. But for Year 12 we use these 2 spectroscopy techniques to work out the shape of the molecule. So the first one that we're going to be looking at is infrared, and then we'll do NMR. There's 2 NMRs, hydrogen and carbon. And then mass spec is finding the mass of the whole molecule, what size the whole molecule would be, and also the mass of, if you broke it up into various parts, what the mass of each part is. So these 4 techniques together we can use to work out what particular chemical we have.